Stiff double-side doors on GM vans are a common issue, especially in areas where road dirt accumulates. This problem is often made worse by the exposed hinge design, which allows dirt and debris to enter more easily. Potential causes of stiff hinges are firstly, accumulation of road dirt and debris in the hinges, secondly, corrosion due to exposure to moisture and salt, and thirdly, wear and tear over time. Here are possible solutions without removing the door. 1. Regular maintenance. Regularly clean the hinges with a degreaser or solvent to remove dirt and debris. Apply a penetrating lubricant like WD-40 or liquid wrench to the hinges and work it in with a rag or brush. Wipe off excess lubricant to prevent dirt from accumulating further. 2. Graphite lubrication. Apply dry graphite powder to the hinges using a brush or spray can. Graphite is a solid lubricant that can penetrate tight spaces and provide long-lasting lubrication. 3. Silicone spray. Spray silicone lubricant into the hinges. Silicone is a water-repellent lubricant that can help prevent corrosion and reduce friction. 4. Hinge lubrication tool. Use a hinge lubrication tool specifically designed for GM vans with double-side doors. These tools allow you to inject lubricant directly into the hinges without removing the door. 5. GM special grease. GM has developed a special grease, GM part number 12,345,243, that is specifically designed for lubricating these hinges. It contains an anti-wear additive and is resistant to water and dust. Here are a few tips. Apply lubricant after every wash or in wet conditions. Clean the hinges thoroughly before applying lubricant. Use a small brush or rag to apply lubricant evenly inside the hinges. Avoid over-lubricating, as this can attract more dirt. If the hinges are severely rusted or damaged, they may need to be replaced. While GM exposed hinge design can be a contributing factor to stiff door hinges, it is primarily caused by the accumulation of dirt and debris. Regular maintenance and proper lubrication can help alleviate this issue and extend the life of the hinges. If persistent problems with stiff hinges occur, consider using the specific solutions mentioned or consulting a qualified mechanic for further assistance.